Hi, in this course I will teach you the basic of AutoCAD by doing the project of garden, so which I summarize all the principal techniques 2D and 3D, also important concepts. So as a plan I have 9 parties in this project. The first section that I want to present to you is before to start. I will present to you the most important point that you need for the deal with the surface of work in software AutoCAD before to start this course. The second is party 1 to party 3 in the garden. I will show you the important castles before to start some or any project, and also I will teach you some of command in 2D design for create the external detail of this project. So I explain each command, how to use it and how to apply it. Next, party 4 of garden. I will present to you the most important characteristic of AutoCAD. It's the translation in design from 2D to 3D. Party 5 to Party 9, I explain the most frequently command used in 3D design, how to use it and how to apply it. In this course I'm focused more in the 3D part because more of students find problem in this party. So all this I will teach you by doing the project